Welcome to my channel ZTech viewers. In this video I am going to show you how you can download and install Microsoft.NET framework. Basically Microsoft.NET framework, we will use it for activating Microsoft Office and many other, for running and many other applications. So for downloading and installing it, you have to go to open the desired browser that you love to use. After opening the browser, you can see the browser URL. Here you can write .NET frame m 4.5 and you have to press enter. The Google will show you the best results. Both the front and the first and the second website is well and good, but I will go to the Microsoft.NET framework 4.5 to offline installer. So click on it. Your website will be open for downloading. Simply you will have to click on it. Here I have clicked on the offline installer, the second link I have opened. It will take some time in opening because of my net is quite slow, not so much time. Here it is open, and here you can select the desired languages where you want to, in which language you want to download. Simply click on the download, and here Microsoft.NET framework 4.5.2 is here. If your downloading does not start after 30 seconds, click here. So 30 seconds passed and our downloading has been not start yet, so we have to click here, and we will click here, and our download file info is up here. It is of 66.75 MB, so simply click on start download. After that, our downloading has been start. Basically I want to clear that Microsoft.NET framework is used for Microsoft Office installation, and it is also used for Microsoft Office activation. Like that we can crack them like that in that case. So what we are going to do, the link in the description how to install and download Microsoft Office 2019 and also crack them. So for that video we have to need this video, that's why I'm making it. So our downloading has been complete. Simply go to the file explorer, to the downloads, and then to the programs. Oh sorry, I rush into the wrong folder, so I will go back, and here it is. Simply go to the downloads and programs, and here it is NADP 452. Simply double click on it. It will be start extracting files, and it will be quite slow process because it will, oh my god, it is fast process. I think it is a slow process, but it is fast process. So we have to wait for extracting files. It is start downloading. I mean to say, it is start installing. Firstly it extract the files and then it start installing, and after that your application will be run on whatever application you want to use. So we have to wait for it. Extracting files of Microsoft.NET framework 4.5, and extraction will be complete. As I can see, Microsoft.NET framework logo has been appeared in front of my screen. Blue logo with the blue tags of a spiral like a DNA in horizontal way. So you can see that we have to wait here for little. The installation file or web page will be appears, or page, not web page. So this is the term and condition. I will simply ignore them and click check the I have read it and accept the license terms, and then click on installation. The installation progress, installing necessary components for .NET framework. It will also check our file security verification, and all files are verified successfully, alhamdulillah. So that installation is progress. It will take some time in installation. We have to wait for it, so that Microsoft.NET framework 4.5.2, whenever I say it will take some times, installation is running very fast. Seriously, that's is happening with me. Now you can see it is finished, so we have to click on the finished, and I will show you it is installed or not. So simply go to the start and go to the control panel, Here you have to go to the programs and then to the program features, and you can see it is installed correctly Microsoft.NET Framework 4.5.2. Here it is, you can see 38.8 MBs. So this is how you can install Microsoft.NET Framework. So if you like my video, please, if